Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can fix action cannot be completed because the file is being used by another program in Windows 11. So, for example, here I have a video, right? And I'm going to open it like this. Now, if I try to delete it, you can see it'll give me a error. See, like this, file is used. This action cannot be completed because the file is open in VLC Media Player, right? So I can't change the name, I can't move the file, I can't delete the file because my file or my video is being opened and actively used by VLC Media Player right here, right? So the obvious solution will have to be close media player, close VLC media player, and then delete or do whatever I want to the file. So I'm just going to close media player, and now I'm gonna change the name to whatever I want. So I'm just gonna give it gibberish, and there you go. It works, right? But for your case, it might not be as simple as closing the media player because sometimes maybe you're trying to delete an app, but the app won't delete because it's still being used. If you're trying to delete an app and it can't be deleted because it's still open, you can probably find the file in the taskbar down here, show hidden icons. For example, I'm trying to delete Discord, right? But it won't delete me. It won't let me delete it. The thing you can do is just right click and then click on quit Discord to turn off the app. Now, once the app is off, you can now delete it safely. If you enjoyed this video, please consider liking and subscribing.